Alright, so here we have our new product subscriptions. We're just going to go ahead and head over to Satori White so I can show you guys. Where we would normally add to cart, we have the options now of subscribe and save and a one-time purchase. Under the subscribe and save, you can select a couple different options as far as durations as to when your subscription would renew. So far I selected every 3 months. We're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout, and it's just the same checkout like you normally would. And if you look underneath Satori White Paste, it shows that it renews every 3 months, and then after 5 months, it gives us a 15% discount instead of the 10% discount. Here we are on the account page. Go to your account here and click the big orange button at the bottom that says View Your Subscriptions. And then it'll show you all of your active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions. We're going to go ahead and click on this one. And here's your little page where you can edit your subscription or pause your subscription or cancel your subscription if you chose to do so. You can also add products to your subscription, or you could remove products if you had other ones in there that you wanted to take off. And then down here we have the pause subscription in case you wanted to pause it for a short time, or you can also cancel it and then it'll ask you why, just so that we know and we can update things further. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or have anything else in the future you'd like to see us add, go ahead and leave a comment, and thanks for watching.